Ni hao, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we're going to cook arroz caldo or rice soup. Simple recipes only. And our ingredients are minced garlic and sliced ginger and a half cup of rice. And we need also breast chicken here. And the first thing to do, we're going to pre-cook our chicken. So let it boil first, and then you're going to add your chicken breast. So after cooking the chicken breast, after 10 minutes, so we're going to take it out, and then we're going to shred it just like this. And of course, we need that chicken stock. So I put it in a small bowl and set aside. I wash the rice and set aside. And then I'm going to fry our garlic. And we're going to set it aside. I forgot to check the video, but we need to add a ginger. And then we're going to add our chicken. And of course, lastly, our rice. So we're going to saute it, mix it well, and we're going to add the stock, the chicken stock that we set aside a while ago. And then I add hot water. I add 600 ml hot water, and then let it boil, cover it. And after a while, our soup is already boiling. We need to uncover it. So when it reaches its boiling point, we need to cook it in a slow fire. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and then 1 teaspoon of salt. So the gravy is not yet okay, and it's not yet so fluffy, so I need to add a little bit of water. I add 250 ml again of water, and then let it boil. So let's cook it for, I think, another 30 minutes. You just cook it in a slow fire, guys. So can you see it's a little bit of fluffy already, but I need to, I think, 10 more minutes. And now I think our rice soup is already cooked, or arroz caldo. So we're going to add our egg. You can beat your egg, but I don't want mine, so I just put it directly and then stir it slowly. I forgot to take a video, but I add some white pepper in here. So I am so very hungry already, guys. I can't wait. My rice soup is also already cooked. Now it's okay. I add some fried garlic, but I don't put that much because I want some garlic on top as my toppings. And you can add some sliced spring onions and cilantro if you have. So there you go. I add some garlic, and that it's done. Thank you.